Really? I went and got a coat and pants and everything. Okay, hold on.
I guess it's still caught outside. Wow.
No, I got this. Hold on. Yes. Oh, you're so lucky I woke up late. You guys must have fun with this.
We finally were going to go wake you up.
I was like, crap.
I'm like, is she going to school today?
Should I get up at like 6:30?
Come on. What is it?
Oh my god, it's a helicopter!
It's a helicopter for your birthday! Told you I got you a helicopter.
It's green.
I know, I'm sorry.
And no, as long as it's not orange.
Oh, that's right.
Well, I'm glad it's a rescue recovery helicopter. The British helicopter?
I have no idea.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes.